Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds called alcohols. In this video, like the previous video, Victor Meyer's test. This test is one of the methods to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. What are the steps involved in Victor Meyer test? Alcohols are converted into alkyl iodide by treating it with I2 red phosphorus. This alkyl iodide is treated with silver nitrite to form nitroalkanes. The nitroalkane is finally treated with nitrous acid, HNO2, nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is a mixture of sodium nitrite and HCl. Sodium nitrite and HCl. And the resultant solution is mad alkaline with potassium hydroxide. Finally, from the color of the solution, the alcohols are identified in Victor Meyer test. First, I would like to explain the common reactions in Victor Meyer test, how the reagents are reacted. Simply, alcohols, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, in the first step, when treated with I2 phosphorus, the OH minus ion are replaced by I minus ion gives alkyl iodide. The alkyl iodide when treated with silver nitrite, AgNO2. Ag is monopositive and NO2 is a negative ion. Ag plus remove I minus as AgI. Loss minus AgI. Now NO2 is added to that carbon atom. NO2. Nitroalkyl is obtained. This step is very most important step. The functional group attached carbon atom is called alpha carbon atom. To continue the reaction, now we have to see how many alpha hydrogens are present in this nitroalkane. Our next step, this compound undergo reaction with nitrous acid. We know the molecular formula for nitrous acid, HNO2, it is a mixture of sodium nitrite and HCl. Here there are two alpha hydrogen atoms. This reaction in which water molecule is removed. If you want to remove water molecule, already we have two hydrogen. We require one oxygen. Therefore, from nitrous acid, to remove water molecule from nitrous acid, this oxygen is removed. Because we have two alpha hydrogen atom, this H plus and this H plus, this O2 minus removed as H2O. This H plus and this H plus, O2 minus removed as H2O. Now there is a double bond formed between carbon and nitrogen. See, NO2, there is a double bond is formed between carbon and nitrogen. Finally, this compound when treated with potassium hydroxide, which is a base we know. This hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. This hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen H plus undergo reaction with base. Remember, because of the presence of acidic hydrogen only, the base undergo reaction. If there is no acidic hydrogen, there is no reaction with potassium hydroxide takes place. Now here also water molecule is removed. H plus ion are now replaced by potassium plus ion, seeing NO2. Double bond NOK. From the color of this compound, alcohol is identified. This is in the case of primary alcohol. We will write the reaction, don't worry. Now come to the same point. In this nitroalkane, the nitro group attached carbon atom is called alpha carbon atom. If this alpha carbon atom containing only one alpha hydrogen, how nitrous acid undergo reaction? This step involves loss of water molecule. We know water molecule undergo ionization gives H plus and OH minus. We have only one H. To remove water molecule, we require OH minus ion. Therefore, from nitrous acid, OH minus undergo reaction. H plus from alpha carbon, alpha H plus, and this OH minus removed. There we have 2 alpha hydrogen, therefore this oxygen undergo reaction, H2 is removed. Here we have only one alpha H, therefore this H plus remove OH minus, and there is a single bond formed between carbon and nitrogen. This step is very most important. One single bond, nitrogen, double bond oxygen. When this compound treated with the base potassium hydroxide, we know a base undergo reaction only with the acid. Is there any acidic hydrogen? No. Here acidic hydrogen present, therefore react with potassium hydroxide. Already the acidic hydrogen, nitrous acid hydrogen is removed. Here there is no acidic hydrogen, therefore no reaction takes place. Remember these two steps. Now we enter into the actual reaction. Primary alcohol example CH3, CH2, OH. Common name ethyl alcohol. 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond ane, OH all. First when treated with I2 phosphorus, the OH minus ion replaced by I minus ion gives CH3 CH2I. What is the name of this compound? 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond ane, functional group I, therefore this is iodoethane, which when treated with silver nitrite, AgNO2, Ag plus NO2 minus, silver nitrite. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, Ag plus I minus, removed as AgI, I is removed as minus. So which molecule is removed? AgI, silver iodide is removed, NO2 minus is added to this carbon atom. Now we get a nitro compound, NO2 is added to this alpha carbon atom. Now I separate these 2 hydrogen like this, CH3, C, here you have one NO2, you are adding one NO2, this carbon containing 2 alpha hydrogen, this is alpha carbon. What is the name of this compound? 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond ethane, NO2 nitroethane. Because of alpha carbon containing 2 alpha hydrogen, this alpha hydrogen undergo reaction with the nitrous acid. Nitrous acid molecular formula HNO2, O double bond N OH. This is nitrous acid. Which one is removed? Water molecule is removed. How? Because of 2 hydrogen, this 2 hydrogen remove 1 oxygen. H plus O2 minus removed as H2O. Water molecule is removed. Note that there is a double bond is formed between carbon and nitrogen. Double bond, CH3, single bond carbon, here you have one NO2, double bond NOH. This is acidic hydrogen. This hydrogen is nitrous acid hydrogen, acidic hydrogen. This compound is commonly called nitroxene. Nitromethane, nitroxene. Double bond NOH is called nitroxene. This is nitroethane, nitroxene. Or one more name is given to this compound, nitrolic acid. Due to the presence of that acidic hydrogen, it is called acid, nitrolic acid. That compound when treated with potassium hydroxide, KOH, K plus and OH minus. We know potassium hydroxide is a base. A base only undergo reaction with the acid due to the presence of acidic hydrogen. This H plus and OH minus removed as H2O, and to this minus K plus is added, minus H2O. Potassium nitroxide is obtained with the molecular formula CH3 CNO2 double bond NOK. Potassium nitroxide, nitroethane potassium nitroxide. The color of this compound is red in color. Generally, primary alcohol gives red color in Victor-Mayer test. Color of this compound is red in color. Now we are going to discuss the secondary alcohol. Distinguish between secondary alcohol in Victor-Mayer test. Example of secondary alcohol is isopropyl alcohol, 2-propanol, molecular formula CH3 CHOH CH3. 3-carbon prop, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH2. First, when treated with I2 phosphorus, OH minus ions are replaced by I minus nucleophilic substitution reaction gives an iodo compound. What is that iodo compound? 3-carbon prop, carbon-carbon single bond N propane, functional group iodo, position of iodo is 2. When treated with silver nitrite, what is the molecular formula? AgNO2. Ag plus NO2 minus. Which one is removed? Again nucleophilic substitution. Ag plus I minus removed as AgI. Ag plus I minus is removed as AgI. We have to add the NO2 to the functional group attached carbon atom. Now I add NO2 to this carbon atom. CH3, single bond C. This NO2 is added to the center carbon atom. Remember, the center carbon contains 1 hydrogen. Functional group attached carbon, alpha carbon containing only 1 hydrogen. When treated with nitrous acid, what is the molecular formula? O double bond N OH, HNO2. Because of alpha carbon contain only 1 H, this H plus remove OH minus from nitrous acid, H plus OH minus removed as H2O, minus H2O. Now nitrogen is added to this bond. Our product is CH3, C, here you have NO2, here CH3. Now N double bond O is added to the alpha carbon atom. Here there is no acidic hydrogen. When treated with the potassium hydroxide, no reaction takes place because potassium hydroxide is a base. A base only undergo reaction with an acid. Here there is no acidic hydrogen, therefore no reaction. But color of this compound is blue in color. Generally, in Victor-Mayer test, secondary alcohol gives blue color. What is the name of this compound? I write the name of IUPAC name of this compound. 3-carbon prop, carbon-carbon single bond N propane. NO2 is attached to second carbon atom, 2-nitropropane. Here also when you give numbering 1, 2, 3. 3-carbon prop, carbon-carbon single bond N propane, propane. In the second carbon we have 1 nitro, 1 nitroso. Second carbon 1 nitroso. And in the same second carbon 1 nitro. 2 nitro, 2 nitroso propane. 2 nitro, 2 nitroso propane. This is about secondary alcohol. Primary alcohol gives red color. Secondary alcohol gives blue color. Now come to tertiary alcohol, easy reaction. tertiary butyl alcohol, CH3, CH3OH. What is IUPAC name? When we give number from top to bottom, second carbon 1 methyl, second carbon 1 OH. 3 carbon prop, carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH2. In the same second carbon we have methyl, 2 methyl, 2 propanol is the IUPAC name of tertiary butyl alcohol. In the first step, when treated with I2 phosphorus, the OH minus ion replaced by I minus ion gives tertiary butyl iodide. Tertiary butyl iodide. When this tertiary butyl iodide is treated with silver nitrite, Ag plus NO2 minus. Ag plus remove I minus from this tertiary butyl iodide. NO2 minus is added to the center carbon atom CH3, CH3 and NO2. When this compound treated with nitrous acid, there is no alpha hydrogen, therefore there is no reaction takes place, but color of this compound is colorless. Color of this compound is colorless. What is the name of these two compounds? IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon prop, 3 carbon prop, carbon single bond N, propane. In the second carbon we have 1 iodo, 2 iodo, 2 methyl propane, 2 iodo, 2 methyl propane. Here also 3 carbon prop, carbon single bond N, propane. Second carbon 1 methyl and second carbon 1 nitro. 2 methyl, 2 nitropropane. Primary alcohol in Wittmeyer test gives red color. Secondary alcohol gives blue color. Tertiary alcohol gives colorless compound. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.